Hello. So in this video, we will try to make some advanced things, that is a practical way. So suppose if anyone asks us something on the Google, sorry, Gmail, and we will answer based on our rag. I mean, based on our database. So okay. So first of all, I would like to add a Gmail trigger. So Gmail, let's say this is the Gmail. Okay, on message received. Okay, so I'm already added my credentials as well. So I'm going to face the test event. So I think there is a message comes. So this is the basically message I was created. Okay, so is it safe to is it safe to save password in my browser? So this is the questions that you previously see the videos. This is the frequently asked questions. There's a lots of questions in my Pinecone vector database. So I'm going to ask this type of related questions if anyone asks me in the Gmail, so I will give the answer. Okay, so otherwise I will not. So, for that I'm going to pin the message. Okay, so if for that I'm going to add a classifier, text classifier. So let's say classifier. Okay, sorry, there is a another node, text classifier. This is the text classifier. Okay, so for the text classifier, I want to classify the text. So what the actual text, this is the actual text, is it safe to save my browser? Okay, so then after that I am going to add a category. So what is the category? That is FAQ. So let's say if any questions related to the FAQ, this is the questions are related to FAQ. RELA related to FAQ. Okay, so this is the question related to FAQ. Okay, so and another is I'm going to add, that is others. So uh okay, so let's say others. Sorry, others. So this is not related to related to FAQ. So this is not related to FAQ. This is the related to FAQ. This is not related. If I execute the step, so we need a embedded model here. So let's see. So I'm going to add the Gemini. Okay, so this is the free for me. I'm going to test it. So let's see which one. This comes to the FAQ because this is the related to FAQ questions. Okay, so at this moment I'm going to add a agent here. So basically this is the AI agent for me, and I'm going to, at this moment I'm not going to add this message. So I'm going to add, this one is not the input trigger message. I'm going to add the snippet here, that's the actual text. Okay, so I'm going to, sorry, okay, define below. Sorry, I'm using the connected trigger node, so that's why this is the problem. So I'm going to drag and drop the snippet here. So after drag and drop here, so this is the basically actually the question, is it safe for the private browser? So at this moment I want to give him the system message here. So you will replay the email questions based on your uh, database tools. Okay, you okay, so database, you want replay. Okay, so you will replay the email questions based on your database tools. Okay, so I'm going to add a database here. So basically I'm going to add a Gemini chat model here. Okay, so I'm going to add the Pinecone vector store here. So okay, so I'm going to add the index here. So this is the demo. Okay, so I'm going to add the Pinecone namespace, that is the database. Okay, so you already see the previous video. So call this tool to access database. Okay, so this is the database basically we call. Okay, so at this moment, so we need to add a embeddings here. So I'm going to add Gemini here as well. So let's see. So so if I execute this step, what type of things comes here? Gmail. Okay, so there is a one output, but okay, so it's not exactly basically read get the information from the database, the Pinecone database. We need to name it as a database. D A B A as a database, because I already that in the system message I'm going to add here, this is the database tool. Okay, so that's why, so this might be happening. So let's see, this time it's comes get answer from the database. Okay, but this time it didn't access to the database. Let's see what's the problems. So we need to fix the problems live. So I'm going to execute a step. Let's see. Okay, so this is the database. No, this time up it's also replay based on is the Gemini chat model. So you will replay the questions based on your database. uh, well, okay. uh, you will you are a let's say you are a support agent that's reply email. Okay, so not exactly email, reply. CO incoming email. So you are a support agent that's a reply incoming email. Okay, so uh okay, so uh questions that's are only your database tool. So basically you are the support agent that reply incoming email. Incoming email, and you will reply the email questions that are only your database tools. Okay, so that's the things I just told him. So let's see, this time he okay, so this time again he didn't access the tool. So okay, so call these tools to access the database. So you will, so let's see. Okay, so you will mm, uh, mm, okay, so that at this moment, so I'm going to add mm, 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 you will have FAQ data BSC database. You have FAQ database. You have access FAQ database. Let's see what happened. I'm going to execute the step. Okay, text classifier. Okay, so this time it's work properly. So basically I'm totally poor of the prompt, so that's why these type of things happen. So at this moment, so all of those things I'm going to do the live. So as you see, the item is browser password, generally device. So this type of question answer, so I'm going to answer how long. Let's see. So browser password messages are generally them exact same. So all of those informations are exact same. So basically you have to be prompt the agent properly. So you are the support agent that are reply incoming email. So you will reply the email, the questions that are only in your database tools. So this is the database tools. So database, you have access to FAQ database. So I'm going to make in distribution, you have access to FAQ database. So that's the exactly things. So this type of things happen. So again, I'm going not exactly pin the database, pin the questions here. So what thing I'm going to add a email that is a reply Gmail. So Gmail here, so it will be reply automatically. Let's say reply a message. So a replay message ID. So I'm going to add from here. So this is the ID here, message ID, email type, text. Okay, message will be the output message. Okay, so this is the output message. Okay, this is the reply message. So that will be the reply message to me. So at this moment, I'm going to ask a question here. So let's say I'm going to ask a questions to him. So I'm going to add going to go to my another mail here. So I'm going to add here compose. So to omniscient, this is my mail. So the question is FAQ. Okay, so I already sent him a message. Let's see. The message will be, let's say the message will be this one. How often should I change my password? So this is the matches here. So I'm going to text him. Let's see. Okay. So how often should I change my password? Okay, I'm going to send him. Okay. So this is the primary here. So the message will be saying already comes to my here. So let's see. I'm going to refresh it. Okay. So how often should I change my password? Okay. So it will automatically replay from my end. Oh, sorry. The system is not live yet. So I'm going to live it yet. So going to live. So let's see. Okay. So execute a step. So it's all of those things work properly. Yeah. So okay. So I already get a replay. I think so. So if I go into my mail, you see there is a we recommend changing password in the every 3 to 6 months immediately to suspect if it has been compromised. So this is the exact answer what we get from the knowledge base, and this is the exact answer what we get from. Now it's time to ask him another questions. This time I'm asking him another questions from my this account. Let's see, I'm going to ask him another questions as well. So I'm going to compose here. So subject FAQ. Okay, so let's say MDCM. So this is my MDCM ID. This is the questions. Okay, so again I'm asking another questions. So let's see. So already it's saying what if I cannot remember my security questions answer. So this is the questions. So let's see. Uh, when I think it will come automatically after 1 minute. So as it is face the data from after 1 minute. So we're waiting. So let's see. Okay, so this is 11:20 p.m. Okay, so I'm going to refresh again and again. Mm, okay, so I'm going to exact wait one. Oh, it's already come. So the question is, what if I cannot remember my security questions answer? So if you cannot remember the security question answer, please contact our support team. Okay, so that's the exactly things. Please contact our support team. So I'm going to again. So that's the, what if I cannot remember my security questions? So contact our support team to alternative verification information. So exact that same thing. So this is the overall scenario, that is we are text classifier, we are AISN, and we are our reply message, and that is the basically overall things. So I hope all of you guys enjoy it. So we make some mistakes regarding the our prompt regarding the prompt of the agent. So we must be improve these sections as well. So I hope thank you so much.